Good morning class, myself Sunil Kumar, your maths teacher. In the previous video, I will explain class 10th maths chapter exercise 6b section formula. So, there are some solutions on the basis of section formula. It's a part 2 of exercise 6b. So, your first question is point A lies on the line segment PQ. So at first we can draw here PQ and A. A is a point on a line segment where P equal to 6 minus 6 and Q equal to minus 4 minus 1 in such a way that PA by PQ equal to 2 by 5. That means PA equal to 2 or PQ. Here is the PQ equal to 5. That means so that PA by PQ equal to 2 by 5. Therefore, PQ equal to 5K and PA equal to 2K. So that AQ equal to PQ minus PA. That means 5K minus 2K equal to 3K. That means PA by AQ equal to 2K by 3K. So that 2:3. That means M equal to 2 and N equal to 3. Here x1 equal to 6, x2 equal to minus 4, y1 equal to minus 6 and y2 equal to minus 1. By section formula, we can take here x equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So that m is 2 into x2 minus 4 plus n equal to 3 into plus 6 by 2 plus 3. So that 2 4s are minus 8 plus 18 or by 5. That means 10 by 5 equal to 2. Y equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So that 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 6 or by 2 plus 3. That means minus 2 minus 18 or by 5 minus 20 by 5. That means minus 4. Now you have a equation. Here we can find the value of A, x, y equal to 2 and minus 4. Now, and the equation is 3x plus k into y plus 1 equal to 0. Here we can put the value of x and y. So 3 into x equal to 2 plus k into y equal to minus 4 plus 1 equal to 0. So that here 6 minus 4k or plus k equal to 0. So that 6 minus 3k equal to 0 or minus 3k equal to minus 6, minus cancels, so that k equal to 6 by 3, that means 2. That's the value of k. Okay, your first question is complete here. Now your first question is completed. In the second question, the line segment joining A and B. Second question, here A and B is a line. The coordinate of A equal to 3 minus 4, coordinate of B equal to 1, 2, and the point P and Q. Here is the P and Q. Trisect these lines. That means this is equal to equal to equal. That means P and Q trisect. That means divide the line segment into 3 equal parts. So value of P is P minus 2 and Q equal to 5 by 3Q. Find the value of P and Q. Also find their ratio. No, ratio is given here. So that chunki P and Q trisect line segment AB, so that AP equal to PQ equal to QB. When P divides AB, then AP equal to 1 and PB equal to 2. So that AP by PB equal to 1 by 2, that means 1:2. PB equal to PQ plus QB, that means 1 plus 1, that means 2. So M equal to 1 or N equal to 2. So here we find the P by section formula. Section formula, P equal to, on the place of X, here P is given. So P equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. That means this is the 1 or 3. That means 1 into 1 or plus 2 into 3 or by 1 plus 2. That means 1 plus 6 by 3. That means 7 by 3. When Q divides AB, then AQ equal to AP plus PQ, that means 1 plus 1 equal to 2, and QB equal to 1, so that AQ by QB equal to 2 by 1, that means 2 is to 1. So M equal to 2 or N equal to 1. After that, to find this is the Q and it is on the place of Y coordinates of Q. So Q equal to bisection formula. Bisection formula, Q equal to this Y2 y2, that means my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So that m equal to 2, y2 equal to 2 plus y1 equal to minus 4 and 1 into minus 4 or by 2 plus 1. That means 4 minus 4 by 3. That means 0 by 3. That means 0. So value of P equal to 7 by 3 and Q equal to 0. In this way, we can find the or we can got the answer of the question number 2. Now your second question is clear. Now in the third question, the midpoint of a line segment AB. Here is the line segment A and B. The coordinate of A equal to 2a4 and coordinate of B equal to -2, 3b, and the midpoint is C. C is the midpoint. So coordinate of C equal to 1 and 2a plus 1. Find the value of A and B. So chunki C is the midpoint of AB, so that x equal to x2 plus x1 by 2 and y equal to y2 plus y1 by 2. इसलिए x equal to x2 equal to -2 और plus x1 2a by 2 equal to x equal to 1. So cross multiplication 2 -2 plus 2a और 2 plus 2 equal to 2a, 4 equal to twice a, इसलिए a equal to 4 by 2, that means 2. That is the value of a. In y, value of y equal to 2a plus 1 equal to y2 equal to 3b and y1 equal to 4 plus 4 by 2. So cross multiplication 4a plus 2 equal to 3b plus 4. So that 4 into value of a equal to 2. So 2 plus 2 equal to 3b plus 4. That means 8 plus 2 minus 4 equal to 3b. That means 10 minus 4 equal to 3b or 6 equal to 3b. So that b equal to 6 by 3, that means 2. So that value of a equal to 2 and b equal to also 2. Okay. In the 4 number question, here the ratio, find the ratio in which point P and P divides A and B. Here is the line A and B. Here is a point P which divides these lines. So find the ratio. Find their ratio. M is to N and coordinate of A. Coordinate of A equal to -4, 3 and coordinate of B equal to 2, 8 and coordinate of P equal to M, 6. So let the ratio in which P divides AB equal to K is to 1. So that Here the value of y is given in all 3 points. So we take y equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So that y equal to 6, m that means k, y2 that means into 8 plus n equal to 1 and y1 equal to 3 by k plus 1. Now cross multiplication, 6k plus 6 equal to 8k plus 3. That means 6k minus 8k equal to 3 minus 6, that means minus 3. Here result is minus 2k equal to minus 3, cancel, so that k equal to 3 by 2. So required ratio equal to k is to 1, that means 3 by 2 is to 1, that means 3 is to 2. Now the value of m, है ना? So that m equal to mx2 plus nx1 or by m plus n. Here m is the value of x of point P and m equal to 3. So equal to 3 into x2, that means 2 plus n equal to 2 and x2 equal to x1 equal to minus 4 by 3 plus 2 equal to 6 minus 8 or by 5, that means minus 2 by 5. So that m equal to minus 2 by 5. In this way you can solve this type of questions. Now your last question is, if g equal to minus 2, 1 is the centroid of triangle ABC, two of its vertex are A, B, then find the third vertex of the triangle. Question number 5. Here a triangle A, B and C. A, B and C. So vertex of A equal to 1 minus 6, vertex of B equal to minus 5, 2, and vertex of C equal to not given x3, y3. It's a x1, y1, it's a x2, y2, and it's a x3, y3. And G is the centroid. This is the median of the triangles. This is the point G, and coordinate of G equal to minus 2, 1. Chunki G is the centroid of triangle ABC, so that x equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Here x equal to minus 2 equal to x1 equal to 1 plus minus 5 plus x3 or by 3. Here, so that minus 6 equal to 1 minus 5 plus x3 or minus 6 equal to minus 4 plus x3, so that minus 6 plus 4 equal to x3, इसलिए x3 equal to minus 6 plus 4, that means minus 2, and that's the value of x3. In this question, value of y equal to this, so 1 equal to y1 equal to minus 6 plus y2 equal to 2 or plus y3 or y3. That means 3 equal to, this should be solved as a minus 4 plus y3 and y3 equal to 3 plus 4, that means is 7. So that value of y3 equal to 7. इसलिए vertex of third side of triangle equal to x3 y3, that means minus 2 and 7. That's your answer. Okay, if your all the types of questions from coordinate geometry in the section formula will be solved. If you have any problem, you must be contact to me or click the problems of your click the photo of your problems and send to me on my WhatsApp. I will resend you after solving it. Okay, my WhatsApp number is 993408567. Solve all problems up to 6B exercise. Okay, thank you.